Hi guys. Let's start with Teespring. Teespring is a print-on-demand platform. That's all you have to do is create a design and Teespring does the rest. The site offers you many tools to create what suits you. You will be able to create folders directly from the site without using a creation program. The site offers several forms of shirts: short sleeves, long sleeves, women's shirts, children's shirts, baby shirts, and some details related to the color and shape of the collar. The site also offers cups, handbags, and posters. The site allows you to create several types of shirts and offer them for sale during a single campaign. The settings. The band is the number of shirts you want to sell. You can increase to more than 400 pieces, and depending on the number of pieces sold, your commission will increase. Choose the type to add, then choose one or more colors by ticking the corresponding box. Define the price of the stimulus. The figure under the t-shirt and exactly under the title is your currency. When done, tap Next. In last step, write the title, that description, the link, and choose the ranking of the jersey and the duration of the campaign. Then activate the request. Now, get some tips that can help you succeed. There are two types of people working in this area. People who have a niche or an audience that works with them via Facebook page or an Instagram account. People who take advantage of events such as parties to design a beautiful design and carry an influential message in any way, then make advertising campaigns in the communication sites or on Google or otherwise targeted by those concerned. Both methods are effective and generate good sales. Not everyone will sell shirts, and not everyone will make an advertising campaign that will drive sales and make money. Only the most motivated will continue because there is strong competition in this area. The question I'm asking you, will you continue? If your answer is no, stop here and look for an easier field because you are not yet ready to enter the field of e-marketing. If your answer is yes, you should know some of the working conditions you will learn from experience in this field. 1. You must learn the methods of targeting on Facebook and find the means of promotion that suits you. 2. You must have an investor mind. That is to say, if I'm not good at design, I have to pay the services of a professional who creates a logo for me. You will find it in the Fiverr site, for example. 3. You must begin to gain experience and the basics of promotion. I focus a lot on Facebook ads because I keep it on other methods of promotion, because it allows you to target a wide variety and a reasonable price. Something else. If you are a designer and design your own logos, I advise to enrich your culture by taking a look at the tastes of others. Also, do not expect success or failure of an advertising campaign. Find a particular event or niche and be concerned about it and try several advertising campaigns until a successful campaign makes up for your losses and be the key to your success. Good creation with Teespring. That's all for today. See you in another video.